Drone soccer brings together sport and technology. The game was shown at the Las Vegas Electronics Show. The players have to be very good pilots. Sean Greenhalgh's a professional drone soccer player.
And this is the actual competition arena. Right here we got the goalposts. These are actual goalposts that these drones fly through. And these drones, when you're flying through, you only have 2 to 3 inches around the drone to fly through that. So it is very precise.
In drone soccer games, 2 teams of 5 players play against each other. Each 9-minute games divided into 3 sets. The team's lead striker scores by flying through the goal.
In a real competition, there will be 10 inside the arena at a time. There's 5 players on each team, consisting of 3 defenders, 2 strikers. One's a lead striker, the other one's a backup striker. The lead striker is the only one who can score, and he's the one with the green tassels underneath the drone.
Drones are often used for taking photos. They're also making deliveries now. Drone soccer shows that people are interested in using drones more widely. They're good for playing games and taking part in competitions. Some people have compared drone soccer to Quidditch. That's the magic sport which Harry Potter plays. Drone soccer players just need good flying skills, which means anyone can play. Teams can include players of any age, gender, or disability. Young people like the fact that the sport includes technology. Rose Sang-hoob's president of the Federation of International Drone Soccer Association.
There will be a World Cup in 2025 in South Korea, and I dream about this sport being played regardless of any gender, any type of people, disabled people. I wish it becomes one of the major sports played by everybody.
Cities around the world have banned drones. They can be a danger when flown badly. Drone soccer allows people to develop their flying skills.